Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by routing clean signal to the base path so you can affect only low frequencies. First, patch a dedicated send or aux from your DAW or mixer to the base channel and engage a low-pass crossover around 80 to 120 Hz. This isolates bass content. You do this because controlling a focused band avoids altering mids. Once done, set initial gain at unity and use balanced cables to minimize noise before moving on to dynamic control. Now you shape and tame the bass. Start with a low shelf or parametric boost between 40 and 100 Hz to add weight or cut to tighten. Then insert a compressor, set a moderate threshold, 3:1 ratio, slow attack so transients pass, and medium release so sustain breathes. This controls level without squashing punch. If the mix feels muddy, notch a narrow peak around 200 to 400 Hz. Make tiny moves and listen in context. This prevents overprocessing. Finish by leveling and protecting the bass channel. Insert a transparent limiter with a ceiling at around -1 to -3 dB to catch rare peaks and prefer gentle gain reduction. Automate fader rides for bass parts that vary, because automation preserves tone better than constant heavy processing. Make sure phase alignment with mains is correct to avoid cancellations. If you hear distortion or noise, recheck gain staging, reduce input trim, and verify cable grounding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.